Hello?
Hello, good morning, and welcome to Morning Math with the Gallaghers. I'm Mrs. Gallagher.
And Grant Gallagher is back once again.
And Grant Gallagher is back once again. So he's been our featured guest this week.
Yeah.
Today we're going to be teaching you about a puzzle game. They're called Skyscraper puzzles. And Grant has never learned how to play this before either. So Grant is going to be learning alongside you guys. Okay. So I printed out a skyscraper puzzle from the internet, and so we'll be working on a piece of paper today. I also have some manipulatives that we'll be using. Now, neither of these things are required for the skyscraper puzzle. You can do the skyscraper puzzle without the manipulatives that we'll be using. And also, there's an online version. So at the end of this, I'll show you the online version, and I'll also link the website that I used so that you can go there. But for right now, let's switch to the Ziggy Camp so that you can see the paper that we printed out. All right. So this is a skyscraper puzzle. You can see right here, skyscraper puzzles. And this is, we're starting right now with an easy skyscraper puzzle, and it's a 4x4.
Okay.
Okay. So it's 4x4 because it's 4 squares by 4 squares.
Yeah, 16. Which means, and since there are 4 manipulatives for each one, that's 16 of these, meaning that you should have none extra if you're using manipulatives.
Yeah.
None
and
extra.
So this is called skyscrapers because the goal is to build buildings that are 4, 3, 2, and 1 unit tall. Okay, so these are going to be our skyscrapers: 1, 2, 3, and 4 tall. Now, similar to the game Sudoku, you can only put one of each height skyscraper in a row or on a in a column. So this is a column right here. So we will have a skyscraper that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, one for all those, and then across as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can't have in a row 2 skyscrapers that are both only 1 tall. You can't have 2 that are only 3 tall and be missing like a number 4 or something like that. Okay, so it's really important that we always make sure that they have the same, that we have a unique number in each row and in each column. Now, the reason why this is called skyscrapers, again, because we're building these buildings that are 1, 2, 3, and 4 units tall. And then, Grant, do you see these numbers along the side?
Yeah.
Those numbers tell you
how many are visible.
How many are visible when you're standing in that spot.
Yeah.
Okay, so for instance, when we're standing right here and we're looking this way, we should only be able to see 2 of the skyscrapers. The other ones should be hidden behind the taller skyscrapers. When we're standing right here, we should be able to see all 4 skyscrapers.
Meaning that
meaning that
this
1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay.
Oh, by the way, since this is
hold on.
Okay.
So let's just let's take a pause for a second. So again, if we're standing right here and looking from the side, I'm going to see if I can tilt the camera so that we are looking from the side.
We can see all 4.
We can see all 4 skyscrapers.
Yep.
Okay, and then look from the other side. From the other side over here, it says we should only be able to see 1.
Which we can only see 1.
Since the tallest one, sorry, that's upside down, but since the tallest one is first, we can only see the tallest one, and we can't see any of the others.
Yep.
So we did a great job there. Okay, so Grant, you were going to explain something else to us.
So since since only 1 can be visible right here,
right here.
Yes, we'd have to put a pepper right there.
We have to put the tallest one, a number 4, right there.
And since 2 has to be visible.
Oh, I don't know about that.
2 has to be visible, meaning that we need this
and 3. Hold on. So he put a 3 right here so that it would be hiding this 2.
And then we place this right here.
And then the 4 behind it so that when we're looking from that side, I'm going to see if I can. This cord in the box are in the way.
And so we can see 2.
Wait.
We can put this right here.
So when we're looking from this side and we're looking at this second row in right here, I don't know if you can see it. We can only see 2. We can see the green one and the purple one behind it.
Yep.
And from the other side, I'm going to flip this around. I apologize if you're getting a little sick from these camera angles. From the other side as well, see here?
1.
It says 2 right there, and we can see the 1 white one and the 1 purple one, and the other ones are hiding.
Here's the 2.
Yes. Okay, so this is basically the game of Skyscrapers. So it's all about building. I also want to point out, remember that we can only have one of each in each row and each column. So it's really important that we have one of every color visible. Okay, so, oh, I don't know about that, kiddo.
What?
We have to be able to see two from here. And if you put the red one there, we'll be able to see the red one, the green one, and the purple one.
The purple one, and
Oops. It's okay.
the purple one.
Oh, the purple one?
And the green one.
And the green one. Okay,
and
so
you can see two from here, meaning that it's all good.
Good. So again, because we have the colors, I want to point out that we have a purple one in every column and every row. We don't have two purple ones in the same row or in the same column. Same thing with the green one. So that's really good. That means we're on the right track to get the correct answer.
I'm going to turn this so we can
so that you can reach it. Let me put it back in the camera view, okay? All right, so we just have two more. We have a red and a white left. Okay, so we need to be able to see three from there. We need to be able to see, oh, we need to be able to see three from there. So I don't know about that white one there, kiddo.
All right, meaning that this would have to go.
So if we put a red one there, then we can see the white, the red, and the purple. And I'm talking about from this number 3 right here. Wait, this number 3 right here, we can see the white, the red, and the purple. Okay, that's good.
And that means the only thing left to make this all correct is see right there, see
3 and a 1. Yep. And again, you just want to make sure that you have one of every number.
Meaning that we have completed.
So we have completed this easy skyscraper. Now, I happen to have these manipulatives at home because I'm a math teacher and this is things that we have in my house. If you don't have these, you could use other things, like you could use Legos and you could stack up your blocks of Legos to be 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Or you don't have to have any of these things. So you could actually just use a pencil. I'm going to grab a pen really quickly. And show you. We'll put up a new puzzle. Again, these are the easy number 4 puzzles. And so you could just, and this is how the website works as well. You could just write in. So 1, 1, that means that this needs to be a 4 block. And go from there. This one also needs to be a 4. This one needs to be a 4. This is going to look a little bit more like Sudoku, where you say, okay, I have 1, 2, 3. I need one more 4. This row does not have a 4 yet, so my 4 has to go here. This one can only see 2. So I don't really know that right now, but we can finish this one later.
Yeah.
I wanted to show you also, so these are the easy ones, and these are 4x4s. They also have, this is called the normal one. So you'll notice on this one, they did not fill in all the side numbers, but they did give us a hint. They said that this one's going to be a 2. And then you can kind of build from there with this basic information. The goal, again, is to fill in all of the inner squares. You don't have to be able to write these numbers on the side, but if you want to, you can. So after you're done with the puzzle, you can write down what everything is. All right, so let's switch back to us. And I want to show you the website that we are using. And to find these, the website actually has a bunch of other really cool games you can try out. Skyscrapers is the only one that I've heard of before. And so that's the one that we're showing you today. But if you want to check out the other cool games, you can. So Grant, I'm going to show them now the website. Entire screen. So I just Googled skyscraper puzzle, and this was the first website that they showed me. So this is it right here. And it has all the rules over here on the side. And right here, it has all the different ones that you can do. So again, we started off on 4x4 easy because we were trying to teach you. You can do normal, you can do the hard ones. They also have 5x5. So then you would need towers that ranged from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 units tall. And if you're doing it on the computer, oh, I opened this an hour and a half ago. That's not good. If you're doing it on the computer, you can just click on the square and type in the number that you think goes there. So again, very similar to Sudoku, where you're just typing in what goes where. And then when you're all done, you click done, and it'll tell you oh, you did, mine says so good so far, but I have 12 more to go. Yeah, and then they have a bunch of other really cool puzzles down here at the bottom that you can try. Again, I've not tried these before. Well, I did. I played with a couple of them last night. Star Battle was really cool. Stitches was very confusing. But so they have a bunch of fun. They have a bunch of fun games on here, so you can try those out too if you want to.
Confusing equals good. Try Stitches.
Confusing equals good. Yes, we like a challenge, don't we?
Yeah, do Stitches. Suggestion. Stitches. Like, do you know those posters? I want you to play Stitches.
All right, Grant. So I think that that's it for today, and I'm going to let you keep trying these skyscraper puzzles on your
Yep,
own.
I would love to.
But for right now, we're going to say
Bye.
bye.